Before I show you how to sort manually, I'd like to point something out. In the middle of all our video clips, we find a sequence clip, which in reality doesn't belong with the other clips which we can see here. As previously mentioned, we will go into sequences in a later lesson. Basically though, a sequence is the contents of the timeline. For the moment, as our timeline is empty, our sequence clip is without a preview. As it doesn't really belong here, I'd like to first of all remove it from this folder. To do this, I'll show the folders and create a new folder in my root folder by right mouse clicking and selecting New Folder. And I'll call the folder Sequence. Now I'll select the root folder again and via drag and drop move the sequence into the newly created sequence folder. Now we are left with only video clips in our root folder. I'll change to one of our detail views, and for the minute our clips are sorted in ascending order by clip name, as the arrow here tells us. And now I'd like to change the order of the clips manually with the mouse. And now I'll change the view to thumbnail large. Now I'd like to place this clip at the beginning of our list, and to do this I simply left mouse click it and drag and drop it at the beginning of our list. After this clip I'd like this one, and so via this method I can rearrange the clips in any desired order. If I now go back into a detail view, then I can see that the arrow is no longer here. This tells me that the clips are not ordered based on any clip properties, but clearly by my own choice of clip order. I can see that the order I chose in the thumbnail view mode has been carried over. If, however, I was to order the items differently, for example by length, and then I change back into my thumbnail view, then I can see that my manual ordering has been lost, as the moment I choose to reorder via any clip properties, my manually created ordering is replaced by the newly sorted clip order. So this is worth remembering. If you create a manual order, it will be replaced if you then reorder using clip properties.